Example problem 4 asks us for the abbreviated electron configuration of neon. First thing we do is go to the real periodic table of elements and find neon. It's element number 10. And then we go to our electron configuration chart and we find neon here. So the first thing that you always do whenever you are writing the abbreviated configurations to make your life a lot easier is going to be to write the full configuration. So the full configuration for neon. Remember, this is 1 and this is 2, and neon does not go past 2, so we're okay there. So we have 1s2 because there's 1, 2 here. Then we go down to 2. 2, this is the S block here, 1, 2. We're still in 2, going over here to the P block. So 2P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's going to be the full configuration for neon. The abbreviated configuration, the first thing you're going to do is draw an open bracket. And we're going to go to group 8, which is this group right here. That's going to be our noble gases. And we're going to go to the row that's directly above the row that our element of interest is in. So we're going to go back up to 1. After you do that, you're going to go to group 8, and you're going to circle the noble gas that's directly above the row, the very last one that's directly above the row that has the element of interest in it. This one is helium. Draw your closed bracket and then scratch through the electron configuration for helium. And so from a previous problem, we know that the electron configuration for helium is 1s2. After you've scratched through the electron configuration for the noble gas of interest, you're going to write the rest of it behind the closed bracket. So 2s2, 2p6. And that is how you do the abbreviated electron configuration for neon. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 4.